we are up to a $9,000 liquidity. It's actually fucking insane. And it's already up a lot. So I'm gonna, dump it. Click on the minus button. Do 100% remove liquidity. Click on proceed and confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how you do it from the best. Now look, if I open my wallet, bro, bang, $7,542 is what we received. And yeah, bro, that is proof that deving is way better than trading. Everything starts on Axioms because, as we all know, Axiom is a free trading platform that allows you to track coins and check which coin is performing well in the meme coin market. Deving meme coin is way more profitable and easier to deploy on Solana blockchain. Let me show you what is deving and how the devs make a profit. Look at this token, which is completely dead right now because the owner of this coin just dumped it on the market. And the people who bought that coin are the exit liquidity of the token. So why put money on someone's coin instead? We can also make a meme coin and earn a good amount of money. So in this video, I'm showing the exact blueprint of my 100% working method. I'm showing you which platform is best for launching a meme coin. After that, I show my 2 strategies for launching a meme coin. After the coin is created, we move to create liquidity of the token. And then I use a promotion tool which boosts our token at the start. And then the main step is how we can make a profit from it. So let's start the process. First thing, which platform is better for launching meme coin? Pump.fun or Raydium? Right now, I'm at Photon, and look at filters. I just chose Pump.fun, and you can see the traffic on Pump.fun. There are so many people are buying the coin, and most of the coins are just rug game, not a real momentum. So if you are launching meme coin from Pump.fun, your token didn't get the eyes it want to. So I prefer Raydium launches. Let me change the filters to Raydium Dex only and see. Not that much traffic compares to Pump.fun, and main thing tokens have real market cap. The main thing is that the meme you use for your project, Pump.fun, is well-known name, but the issue is this is overcrowded and the fees are so much. So I'm moving you guys to my personal strategy, which is using the viral meme of Pump.fun and launching it on Raydium Dex so our token gets real momentum. And this video is purely for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, so please, bro, just do your own research. For launching our meme coin on Raydium, I'm using launchmeme.fun. Honestly, it's one of the best launch pads for Raydium right now. Your token goes straight to Raydium instantly. That means you're getting exposure to thousands of active buyers right from the moment you launch, and the best part is you still control your entire supply. Now, there are basically 2 strategies to create a coin. First option, you build something from scratch. If you already have a community, a project idea, or even just a strong narrative you think can go viral, you can turn that into a meme coin and launch it on the Create Coin tab. You can even hunt for trending narratives on X or using the free Twitter tracker. Connect your Phantom wallet. The goal is to move fast. There are thousands of tweets hitting the feed every second from massive accounts. With this tool, you can basically turn those viral moments into coins instantly. It's that quick. You can use it to launch your own stuff or just use the data to trade and check what's happening in the meme coin market. It's totally up to you. Second option, and this is my favorite, is the copy trending coins strategy. Basically, instead of guessing what might work, you're taking coins that are already blowing up on Pump.fun. These tokens already have momentum, real volume, active buyers, and most importantly, a proven narrative. So what you do is simple. You copy those coins directly to Raydium. Now you're not starting from zero, you're tapping into existing demand. You're putting your version of the coin in front of a fresh wave of traders. And since the original coin is already viral, you've got a much higher chance of attracting buyers, sometimes even outperforming the original. So yeah, your odds of catching early profits are just way better with this method. All right, let me show you exactly how to do it. Let's go. So first of all, connect your Phantom wallet. Mine is already connected. Once you're in, hit refresh and start looking for a coin that actually has the potential to run. Something with a strong narrative, good market cap, basically something that could turn into a banger. For this example, I'm going with Trollcoin. Just click copy to Raydium. Your Phantom wallet will pop up and yeah, you'll probably see a warning. That's completely normal. Every launchpad throws that in at the start. Just click proceed, then I understand, and confirm everything. Give it a few seconds, and boom, your token is live. If you open it on SolScan, you can literally see it was minted just seconds ago. Everything's legit. Everything works exactly how it should. All right, now it's time to create the liquidity pool for our token. Go back to the site and click on Create Liquidity Pool. This page is actually super simple. For those who don't really know what's going on here, we're basically setting up the pool that allows people to start buying and selling your token. Once this is live, your coin becomes tradable directly on Raydium. And yeah, this step is mandatory. If you don't do this, your coin isn't really live on chain, and nobody can trade it. Now for the token amount, just select 90%. That means 90% of your supply is going into the pool. Right below that, you'll see the option to pair it with SOL. This is basically your first buy into your own coin. And listen, you're not losing money here. You're simply swapping a bit of SOL for your own token supply. That's what creates the initial liquidity and lets others trade. If you ever want to pull your money back out, you can just sell later, and it goes straight back to your Phantom wallet. So don't overthink it. It's not like you're burning funds or anything. For this example, I'm putting in 0.3 SOL. Now hit Create Pool. Your Phantom wallet will pop up like always. You'll probably see that warning again. Completely normal. Every transaction has it. Just click Proceed, then I understand, and finally hit Confirm. Give it a few seconds. And boom, your coin is now officially live and open for trading. Okay, people can see our coin, and your profits will be right here whenever you want to see them. And if you want to see how much you're up at this moment, click on refresh, and then it will refresh right here. And as you guys can see, our P&L went up to 78 bucks, which is a 7.10% gain in a couple of seconds because we copied a coin that is attracting a bunch of traders. All right, now click on View on Photon. As you can see, our token is already live and it's starting to get some buyers. But now we're going to take it to the next level and add some momentum. To do that, I use a quick promotion tool. Instead of wasting hours manually posting and trying to get attention, just head over to promotememes.fun. This platform gives your token instant exposure across major trackers like dexscreener, GMGN, and Birdeye, all automatically. Let's do it live. First, connect your Phantom wallet, then just paste your token address and choose your promotion package. I'm going with the advanced 0.5 SOL option for maximum reach. You can select whatever package you want to, and make sure you toggle Include Free Website. This part is huge. Upload your logo, set your token name. I'll call this one Trollcoin. Select Raydium and hit Confirm. After that, click Pay and Promote. Your Phantom wallet will pop up again. Click Confirm. And that's it, you're done. Now watch this. In just a few seconds, it starts building a professional website and promoting your token to thousands of traders at the same time. And boom, website ready. Let's check it out. Just like that, you've got a clean landing page with your token details, tokenomics, and real-time chart links. Everything an investor needs to see. Now jump back to Photon and watch your live chart start moving. Oh my God, look at this. If I had to guess, I think we're up around 2,000 or 3,000 bucks. Paying, bro. So many people are buying in. That's exactly what we like to see as devs. Oh my God, bro. More and more people are buying in. I think we're up like $4,000 right now. Okay, we know that's actually insane. We made this coin for literally some dollars. This is insane if the meme is hot. And if you use the right tool from Memecoin promotion, then you can cash out good money. Anyways, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to marinate and for it to pump. When I come back, we will cash out. I will show you guys how. Alright guys, I am back, and you can see some people selling our coin, but we are up to a $9,000 liquidity. It's actually fucking insane. and it's already up a lot. So I'm gonna, dump it. Now come back to launch Memecoin and then click on the refresh button right here. And as you guys can see down below, bro, 7K is what we're up right now, which is not really bad, bro. Like, dude, that's actually insane for most people watching this video. Right now, click on the minus button. Do 100% remove liquidity. Wait for Phantom Wallet to just show up and then ignore the block. Click on proceed and confirm, then I understand, and at last confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how you do it from the best. Now look, if I open my wallet, bro, bang, $7,542 is what we received. And yeah, bro, that is proof that deving is way better than trading, bro. If I did not convince you by now, I don't know what will. Every site will be linked in the comments down below or in the description. Peace out. Trying to get started but don't have the dev fee? I got you. I'm sending 1 SOL to 10 winners to help you take your first step. Set enter. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video, comment down below.